Okay, I'm back. So we're gonna eat us some mallows. So what I ordered, they got this thick burger now, and so I got the thick burger, no ketchup, extra grilled onions and regular onions. Add mallow sauce, extra mayo. I don't know if they got it right, but let's see. And how much was my meal? It was like $12. Ours was like $12 as well. We paid $24 in all. Also asked for an extra side of grilled onions and regular onions. Now the lady that was back there cooking, she gave me a little smirk. You ate some coleslaw? Did it give you some coleslaw?
It came with coleslaw?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tender 4-piece. It came with coleslaw, baby. Okay. I'll go and get that coleslaw. It costs too much to be leaving food on the table. Literally, food on the table. I hope my car don't start getting warm. I gotta have somebody to check it. I could already feel the temperature.
Okay.
Love you.
Love y'all.
Where are y'all watching me from? The fries ain't fresh. These ain't fresh.
Love you.
Love you. They've been sitting out. This is the mallow sauce. This stuff right here. Now, I was having a conversation the other day. What's the difference in mallow sauce and Sneaky Pete sauce? If y'all have a Sneaky Pete, that's a hot dog franchise, hot dog restaurant. These fries are so horrible. That's not even fun to eat. Where's my straw? I keep straws in my car anyway. I'm definitely going back and letting her know. You didn't give me my slaw, and my fries were old. The food costs too much for the quality to be as bad. Now let me see what my burger doing. What they say? I have no idea. Oh. So it's supposed to have lettuce, tomato, bacon, onions, mallow sauce. Yeah. And cheese. So let's see. First, my grace, Lord, thank you for the food that I'm about to receive. Make it nourishment to my body. Remove all impurities. In your name, Jesus, I pray. Amen. 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 Bless those that are watching. Cover them and keep them safe. Should I cut it in half? I can't find my knife. Y'all see it? Yeah, I have my lows where y'all are located. How am I gonna tackle this? The bread feels old. Why? I'm really not feeling the love, my loves. Milo's is one restaurant I can always count on if I can't figure out what I want to eat, or you know, I'm indecisive. I can always go to Milo's. Ever since I was probably 12 years old. I'm in my 40s. And I'm going to be honest with you. Milo's has only missed my meal like 4 times. And I go there frequently. Today makes 5. These fries were nearly cold, like no effort. And they have the best fries. Like, they dropped the ball today. They really dropped the ball. Milo's tea. They sell their tea in stores here. That's one thing I'm always keep in my refrigerator. Some Milo's tea. And to be honest, I have some in my car. Now I've learned that it does spoil. It does go bad once you open it. After so long. I wanted to try the Spider-Man Whopper from Burger King. That's what I was initially going to have. But when I learned they said they stopped selling it on the 21st. I was like, dang. Y'all, these fries. I mean, if you ask anybody about Milo's, the first thing they're going to say is the fries. You just don't get no bad fries. Milo's just don't do that. It's like you would literally go just for the fries. That's just how the fries and the tea. That's just how good it's supposed to be. The tea is good, but they didn't care about these fries. Okay, y'all, I watched this movie. Behind Her Eyes. I think that's the name of it. Behind Her Eyes. Netflix. It had me tripping out for like first I had to debrief after I watched it. Because they had me just so in shock. If y'all watched it, comment. It was good. And the way the end of it goes to show you how sometimes bumping into people don't be coincidental. Like, that was her best friend. Her best friend, she shared everything with. She had so much money, like she didn't even care about the money. She had the money, the man, and her best friend wanted it. And he got it. It was crazy. It was seriously crazy. But let me see what else I'm watching or have watched recently. Oh, the BET Awards. I watched some of it because I don't know this music, this new music. I don't know it. What's the rhyme speech? It was good. I'm eating the onions that fell off the burger. I was in and out of watching it. I didn't see Patti LaBelle. I didn't even search it. Patti LaBelle don't know the verse to the song. Tina Turner? Like, really? Baby, if somebody was giving a tribute to Patti, didn't know the words of the song, and she was passed away, she would have been up there like, hold up, God. Hold up. I gotta go back. I got somebody to handle. I need to take care of something down there. Y'all know Patti full of herself. And then if she didn't know the words to the song, why are you up there, Patti? Patti! James. What's his name? James Wright. Go get your girl. Patti! Patti! Y'all remember James Wright Chanel? That's his name. He was reviewing her pies. He need to go get his girl. She could have learned that song and said, let me sing a song that I know. What they would have said? No. Patti, come on. Don't do Tina. This burger gives me a time. I don't know why. I done deconstructed it. They gave me 3 napkins. 3. 1, 2, 3. I gotta drive around because it's getting warm. And then I can't take it. Do y'all know why it does that though? But thank y'all for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, our YouTube channels are Sincerely A Lucy, I Love Lucy Eats, and Grandma Lucy. Grandma Lucy one It's just for my grandkids. Ilovelucy Eats is just eating and cooking. And Sincerely Lucy is just like vlogging. Sometimes I may put like the kids or food in there, but that's my YouTube's. And my Instagram is I Love Lucy and Ilovelucy Eats and Sincerely Lucy. And my TikTok is I Love Lucy. My link tree is Ilovelucy Media, and my Facebook is Ilovelucy Eats and Cooking Show. So those are my social medias. Those are all the ones I have. You want to email me or send me a product to review or merchandise, you can email me at ilovelucymedia@gmail.com. I was so hungry. Do y'all eat grilled onions? Really, it's so good. Thank y'all for watching and tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, I love you, I care about you, and there's nothing you can do about it. See you in the next video.